Yeah.
No more holding lips. You cannot pretend. Nothing's where you should. No more sitting in this place, hoping you might see my way.
I'm gonna chug all this, like up to here, and the rest I'm gonna be like, sex. Just kidding.
Oh, I gotta fart. I've told you I've been constipated.
Oh yeah, huh? He's like, it might stink. I gotta go.
No,
What?
stinks a little bit.
Oh. Did you grab that soda? I didn't know that soda was there.
Yeah, I grabbed it when I thought we were gonna, you know.
Oh. That's
you know, do
yeah.
some Xbox 360.
Xbox every day.
What was the other phrase that we were gonna do?
Oh, orgasm in my mouth. Oh.
What's the other phrase that we use it for? For, you know.
Oh.
We're gonna go to the moon.
We're gonna go to, no, Mars.
Oh, Mars. Whatever. It started with an M.
We're going to Mars, dude.
Ew! Whoops, you hit a fly.
Oh.
You went, oh. You look like the target dog. Molly! Where's Molly? I don't know. Oh, there she is. Molly! Oh, there she is. Underneath the chair. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. I see you wagging your tail. I love you, Molly. Yes, I do.
Dude, what are we gonna do for my birthday?
I don't know. Why is the camera just on you?
Because it was on you earlier? Well,
why is it just on me now? It's gotta be on both of us.
how? I gotta see. Hold on. I'm gonna end the video, okay? We're gonna do another one.
Okay.
Say bye.
Peace out!